Hi, my name is Stuart Ruddy, and if you are watching this video, then your child is in one of my English for CP courses this school year. This video is meant to walk you through facets of our course and to show you some of the resources that are available to you to use to access your kids' learning and to see where they're at. So I'm going to show you a presentation. I've also sent this presentation to you via email, and it is just a summary, a brief overview of this course. Starting out with a little bit about myself, I'm a Clemson University graduate, have a degree in English, degree in secondary education. I'm actually also a graduate of Fort Mill High School. I walked these very halls. And this is my second year at Fort Mill High School. I love teaching at this school. I love the students, and I'm really excited for this school year. English for CP is a survey course in British literature. So we're going to be diving into several different eras of British lit. Our first one is going to be on Anglo-Saxons after we finish up the short story unit, which we are finishing up next week. That first piece of Anglo-Saxon literature is going to be Beowulf. Then we're going to jump into William Shakespeare's Macbeth, and then end up with George Orwell's Animal Farm. And these three course texts are going to be supplemented with poems, informational texts, and some short stories as well. Now, here is the semester at a glance. This information has been sent to you in the syllabus, and it is also posted on my website, so you can access this, see where we're going to be ending up in the weeks to come, and also look at the major assessments that your students will be taking or completing. My policies and expectations, I have no late homework. So if a student does not have their homework assignment on time, it is a 0. And that's because every homework assignment that I do give is meaningful and meant for that day in class. And if they don't have it, they're not prepared. The next part is the late penalty for due date assignments. If an assignment does have a due date, that means I will accept it late. But for a penalty, that is 10 points every single day up until that 5th day when the student will just receive a 0. And then extra help. If a student needs any extra help, this is a weird year, they can just let me know. We will figure out a time for them to come in before or after school so I can give them that extra help and they can get caught up. And then participation and thinking. Participation is huge in this class. I really push my students to come to class prepared to talk, prepared to share, prepared to just ask questions of their peers, of me, of the text, just to show me that they're critically thinking when they're in my classroom. Now, this last slide is also in the presentation that's been sent to you, but it's just some hyperlinks of resources for you. The first one being that syllabus. You can click on this little white box. It'll take you to the syllabus, which has already been sent to you, just in case you want to look through that again. The middle one is my email. You can click on that. It will auto-generate an email for you to send to me. And then the last one is the website. Just briefly looking at the website, if you click on the top tab, English for CP, you will see all of the calendars for each of my sections of English for CP, and you will just find the one that your student is in, click on it, and every at-home assignment is on this calendar. You can see what they're supposed to be doing at home so that you can hold them accountable. If you have any questions about any of this or any extra questions that I didn't answer, please shoot me an email. I will respond to that as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.